morning, fishing Long Island. Wow, nice early one today. Got off the dock at about 5:45, headed out. Got Ari and Avi with me today. I'm gonna go see if we can find some of the big stripers and then maybe play with the blackfish later and see how that day goes. But it's an early start, it's crisp, it's cold, it's definitely fall, that's for sure. Nice, cold, crisp morning. But let's see how we do, and we'll get back here once we're on the fishing grounds.
We're marking crazy fish right now.
Let me just film him. I got a camera on you, just so you know. Nice. Avi with the first on.
Guys, I got my grandmother on here from Sicily. She's got to get a 6 o'clock flight back. Can anybody help me with a fish? She's never seen one before.
You want to walk him to the front?
Wow, that's a new one.
Just watch that motor. You might have to stick the tip of your rod in there.
You think a regular bucktail's gonna work? Yeah.
I got the lipper right here too, unless you got one. There he is, nice. Nice fish.
Woo! Good way to start.
Yeah, we get the lipper. Okay, bring it to me. Is that a keeper? I think this one might be a keeper, I don't know.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Not bad for our first cast. First freaking cast, baby.
Yeah, it's gonna be too big to keep. Well, we can measure it anyway, just say,
Sure.
it don't take long to get them on you. Let's see what you are. Will he make it? Nope, 38. A lot bigger than I thought he was. I'm gonna release him for you.
Yep, there you go. Beautiful.
I'm marking them right now to stripers. Ari on. Nice.
This might be a slot.
All right, good. Let me get the grabber. Ari on. Oh, saw him. Nice one.
Slot. You want to keep one? That's
Close
the
one. Close one. All right, get him. Let's bring me get over there so I grab the lipper. I think this is the one. No, he's not hooked. No, hold on a second. Got him in the worst possible spot ever. Hold that. Hold on. Got it. That's the one.
That's a slot.
I think that's gonna make a slot.
Yeah.
Hey, you want to grab the handle? Yeah.
Yeah, baby. Beauty.
Nice.
Woo!
Nice. That looks like it might make the slot.
That is. It's gonna make it.
I'll check and I'll measure them up for you. And I'll run them to the back for you. I'm just gonna put this up on the seat so it's out of your way. Let's see what we measure at. Yeah, I'll take a couple slots to put in the cooler. It's nice.
That slot, right? You checked it?
He's long and lean. We'll check him right now. See what we got.
I bet
It's over.
Huh?
It's over.
Really?
It's center 32, tip 33 and a half.
Okay.
What is it, 20 to 31?
28.
Shit, I can't even if you don't want with center.
They're hard to get.
Yeah, they are hard to get. Another one.
Wow. What was that?
He was 32 to center. Oh, you saw it?
Regular bucktail, baby.
Can't even tie a rig. The bite is hot. Another nice one.
That might be the one.
He looks bigger than the other one.
I don't know, but
Oh man, they're hitting hard. He swallowed that thing.
he slam. I saw him slam it.
It's in my have my camera here. Got it. No, he's smaller.
Is he?
Yeah, he's smaller. Down the hatch. Holy shit, he wanted it. Let's see what he is. Let's get the official measurement. Come on, baby. Let's get one that's close.
He's nowhere near.
All right, we got one.
I don't want to go there yet.
Oh,
Might have to.
oh, I got one. There's a bunk on this rod if you need it. Oh, he's got a big one there. He's getting dumped. That's a real one, huh? There we go. Oh, just got pulled off again. Just had one on the bunker again on my rod.
Where's the bunker down here?
Right behind us. Oh, I got one on. Grab my rod, Ari's one on. That one's on. I'm on. Oh, he might be swimming with it. He just dropped off again. I think he got the bunker off. Yeah, snag another bunker. Where are you? So I don't want to get you.
Did you see him?
Straight back. I don't want to get tangling you. Just cast right back there. And to let it go to the bottom because it's deep. Look at this. Got a ball. Actually, I could save this with my crabs. Let me get his fish real quick. Yeah, they're right under the boat. Just let it sink to the bottom.
Under the boat?
Yeah, they've been under the boat. Here and behind it, they're all over. If you let it sink to the bottom. Yeah, nice one. Nice.
That's a fish.
Yeah, it's a good one.
That's a fish.
Oh, he's lip hook too. Beautiful. I didn't show him. Yep, yeah, he's perfect as right. Ah, come here, you. Come here. What pound test this? I don't want to snap your line.
Holy, this is 30. There's 35, I think.
Get a nice shot. Ready?
Beauty. That's 35 plus.
Oh, it's 35, yeah. Got it for you. I'll send you those. Are you in? On again. That's insane bite. Let me get this in, take care of him. Going under the boat. That rod's sick. Good pup. You know what you do? Either walk to the front. We'll do the front this time. Come right around the other side to me over here. Keep coming all around. There you go. Perfect. Get that out of your way. Watch this rod here. This has got freaking hooks. Crushing it, huh? Head shaking there. This one looks bigger than the other one, I think.
Beast?
Yeah, he's fighting him real hard. Good head shakes. Nice fish, man. Let me get my grab. A little bit more stubborn than the one he has on now. Big one? I figured, listening to the way he's, you know, the head shakes and everything. Yeah, it's a good one. Oh yeah, nice fish. Oh yeah, nice one. Nice big fish. Oh yeah, it's a fatty.
This one was bigger than the other one.
Oh, he's gonna fall out. Here, come in. I think that hook's gonna pop right out. Oh shit! What happened?
Holy moly. Yes, sir.
That's a nice one. That's a big one.
That is a mama.
That's a big one. Let me get another picture of you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? You can't see the size of it. You don't have to lift them. Yeah, lift. You can't see the size. It looks actually smaller than the other one.
Hold on. That's on my booger.
Or you can even do like this too if you want to grab them this way. That's a big fish. That's easily a 40-pounder right there. Ready? Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's a good shot. Flip them over again so you can see the stripes. Oh, that's a great shot with the sun in the background. Oh my God, I can make this a cover right here. See my tools on my chair. That was a big one.
Yes, sir.
Bigger one or a small one?
Swallowed it.
Oh, that might be another slot.
Could be a slot, and he swallowed it, so it could be perfect.
No, that's definitely a slot, I think. Nice. Uh-oh.
I think that this is middle, the top column, by the way. Yeah, I think they're on top now. Yes.
Oh, I just got something snacking my shit. Nice.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Just literally woke up. Oh yeah.
Two on, into the sun. Oh, three on. I got one too.
Joey, take it.
You got that one on? Triple header.
Give me the lip, I'll do it. Give me the lip.
This fish is swimming to me. Ready? Oh, he shot water me. Oh, keeper maybe? Smaller fish.
You go by me? Sorry. No, don't worry. I'll open the damn thing. Gary, dogs.
You just gotta push the thing open.
Watch it, buddy.
And now, yeah, open it up and just grab it. What the hell did I just flip on?
Not as easy as a booger.
That's how you keep on them now.
This is not a bad one.
Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, he's got followers. Look at the followers. See the follower? There's two of them there.
Picture for me.
Yep, let me get this rod out of the way. Get him out of the way. I want to measure this one real quick. This one might make it. Let me get that ruler real quick. Man, now he might be long. Let's see.
Nice, Ari.
Nope. This one's 31 to the fork. 31 to the fork again.
Okay.
Got it. He's got the gripper.
Here, hold on. I don't need a picture.
You swallowed it. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. There you go. Got it.
That's great, George.
You got him, Ari?
You got a lot of bats around here, too.
You want a lip?
Whoa. Shit, I didn't realize that was off.
Hey, George. This guy is trolling here.
Here's the picture.
Which one's smaller? This one is.
Where's the bunker?
They're right here. Look, dude, there's bass all under this boat right now. Holy shit. This one's gotta be back. Bunker right here next to the boat. Right here. They're in the front of the boat. Look in the front, actually. This whole thing. They're all over the place. One on. Yeah. So we do this float, when we just lift and then let it drop. Lip. There's one. Double. Let me come up there and help you guys. Oh shit, he just followed a keeper. Just followed the spoon.
Really?
That was a nice one. He just followed the spoon like a friend 29. Fuck, I wanted that one. You got a big one? I'm coming.
Oh, the whole bunker just came up. Oh.
Where's the lipper?
Check on his bench.
I got it. Yep. You guys got better ones on now, it seems like. Oh, that's a nice one. Nice. Alright, bring them right to me. Oh yeah, look at that tail thing. Hey, lift him up real quick, eh? Now grab his real fast. Ready? Bring him more that way. Yeah, perfect. Just like that. Yep, perfect. Awesome. All right. This guy out here. Let me get his up. You got it, nice. He's got a picture. Just throw him head first into the blast him in there. Okay, I'll do it. Gotta lift it up, that thing up. I gotta take that out.
Nice one. I can't even get this guy up.
Let me wash my hands. Let me know when he's up.
Oh, my lighter rod.
Let me get a picture with that one. With Ari in the background.
Gorgeous fish. Joey, can you revive this guy?
Yep.
Oh.
He did it. He's good.
He did it. Yeah. Big.
On the top water.
You get that on video?
Yeah. I can't get him on his flutter spoon. That was sick on the top water.
Blowing up anywhere?
Behind us, right here, right here. Cast this way.
Sure.
You're right here. They're all
Down,
here.
head down. He needs help.
Yep, coming. I can't use this fucking flutter spoon. I suck at it. It's coming. Let me get that gripper.
He's hooked good.
Nice.
Last one, pop right out.
Where is he?
Right here.
This thing break now.
You. That might even be another slot.
Yeah, it is. Let me see
Okay,
something.
you get him up. You don't even have to take it off. Just use my pliers. Get him right off.
I'm worried about these hooks. Hold on a second. I don't like the hooks. Hey, you open your mouth. Come on. Okay, that's another slot, I think.
Just pop the hook right up. Hold on.
There you go. I got one right here. I think
Pretty sure this is our limit right now. Those others are a little bit on the bigger side, but these other ones.
I saw one leaving your house this morning. Oh, shut the fuck up.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah, there's a fish right there. I mean, man, I'm pretty sure this is a keeper. Yeah, that's definitely gonna be a keeper.
What do you hit? 3 or 4 times?
You got him on the third.
We're off of it now.
31.
Any vessel radio check?
I'll drive back to him. Let me bleed this guy real quick. Ari on.
It's like a real hard left to right. You really could set the hook early on these. You could, where it doesn't swallow.
Yeah.
I don't think I set it early enough.
Let me get that. I didn't bleed this guy out yet. I gotta bleed this guy. Maybe. Get him out. We got the tools for it.
That was deep.
Where's the bucket?
That was deep.
Oh, here.
Oh my God.
Deep?
Yeah, I just can't get him to open his mouth. Oh yeah. Oh, you son of a bitch, you soaked my camera. That ain't good.
Not even big.
No. This one's on the surface fighting.
Are you working top of the water? Yeah, right back. That's doing the same thing. Hey George, how many feet of water? Only 21. 21.
Nice one?
Yeah. Keeper.
Where's the bunker? Right here. While he's fighting his fish?
I can't because the fish is forward.
I'll cover them. They keep flashing on top. Not a small one.
Is it a small one?
No. Let me get over here. Let me get through.
Big kitchen.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah, nice one. Nice. Definitely bigger fish. Oh man, nice head shakes. Definitely bigger fish. It's a nice mix though. We're getting slots and jumbos all together. It's awesome. He's coming this way. You guys are gonna have to switch. You're gonna have to go over him. Yep. Well, it's gotta be right in the sun. He's just taking line.
Saw the boat.
Nice fish. Look at that swirl.
Oh yeah.
Got a good fish.
Come on up.
That reel getting smoked. Nice big fish. Oh, that's a nice one. Just got a glimpse of it.
There he is.
Oh shit!
What happened? Pulled snag or pulled right there.
That was a big fish.
Don't get the guy in trouble.
This guy in the whaler just gaffed one. A big one.
Fish.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, I'm breaking up there?
Yeah, that's right there. Oh god. It's on top right here. Straight ahead from you, Avi. 12 o'clock. 12
Straight
o'clock,
there,
on
they're
top.
breaking.
This guy hit like right.
Oh, you
on
got
top
a
of
fray in your line.
Yeah.
See that fray?
There's water. No, it's water.
The water. All the way out there. Just cast right to the boats.
They're crushing them right here.
Okay.
Top water. Right here. Oh shit.
Well, that's a big one, man. That's a big one. Let me get that lip grabber. I'll be right back. Let me get the lip.
so big.
Is that so big? I'll grab one.
That's lip. I got a perfect lip. Like right up here.
On the camera.
They're right here. They're getting crushed right here. Let's get closer.
In front of the boat.
You're on? What are you in?
Oh, you went to the bottom. Only on top.
It's jetted for the boat, you see that?
Oh, yeah, that's nice. I know, I'm pushing my foot.
Beauty.
Top water, I really chased the bunker.
Yeah, I'll do that for you guys. You want me to do that?
Let me call you right back, all right? Roger.
Another nice one. All right, I'll chase them around for you. Oh, you see that bass just come up right there?
Where, right here?
Right there, bass just came up there. See the swirl?
That's a great cast. You're in?
Yeah. Right straight back. I saw a fish come up right straight back. Nice lip hooked again. I love it. There's that lipper. This guy's lip hooked too. He's perfect. Another nice one. Ari on again. What are we up to, like 30? That's crazy.
Today's the day you can catch 100 if you want to keep doing this. Oh, yeah.
Oh, listen to that.
Oh, yeah, this is a big one. That's a big fish.
So tell us about your day, Ari. What do we got here? Bunkers flying across the floor.
Oh, there's lights out fishing. Oh, wow. It's definitely my biggest today.
Is it? Oh shit, I'm falling. There he is.
No.
That's a small one. Just fighting good.
No, just fighting good.
Nice lip guy. All right, let me go get him.
Wow. Fighting much more.
The legend!
No way to help.
Oh, look at the school right there. Look at this.
No way to help here.
I'm coming.
Oh, I got it.
You good?
Oh, look at that.
Come on, smile for the camera. Bottom rod's on. Another doggy? Oh, he's eating. Look at him.
I'm not going near that. I'm leaving that to you.
I get
Need
him.
help? You have bass on?
Yeah. Yep. Flipped it right here. I caught it right there.
Huh?
Take a picture for me.
Yeah. All right, Joey, you got this set?
Yeah, just leave him now. Take him.
my rod. Shoot.
Man, they're fighting really hard for these size fish. Oh, one on, one in. Yep, I'll take it. Get that doggy. Holy shit. I need to get this real quick. He said, unhook the bunker to drop the
I
snake
don't
in
have
there.
bunker. Yeah. Nah. It's all good.
That's nice. Oh, it's a perfect one. Another one on. This one's got weight to it, just holding its body sideways. And then you see it pull up, it's probably only like a 15, 20 pounder. Be nice to see a weak fish come up, you know? Nah, same shit. He's like 15 to 20 pounders now.
Yeah. Go up to 30 pounds. Come up a little bit, find their own.
Yo, Jack! Yo, Jack! Go ahead, Jimbo!
I wouldn't leave this school. I mean, there's fish here. Unless you just want to go hunting for lures and stuff. What the hit that was. That was a fantastic hit. What a hit.
Sometimes they want the dead one more than the live one.
Is it? Oh, there's our buddies here. That thing took it like a bat out of hell. Oh, there's another one. Here, you're coming up right now. Avi, look at these fish breaking everywhere. White water all around the boat. Oh, that's a big one.
Whoa.
That's a big one. Oh yeah. Oh boy, that's a monster. Let me get the. That's a big one. That's a real big one. You know what? I don't even think this net's big enough for him. I don't think it is. That's a brute. I don't think this net's big enough.
That could be a 40.
All ready? I don't think this net's big enough, but.
Yes, sir.
That's a big one. That's a real big one. There you go. That's a monster, that one. Look at the head on this one. And of course the circle hook got caught in the net. How the hell did that happen? I knew he hit that one hard.
Oh my god.
That's a big one.
Oh, we need a left hand shot for that one.
That's like a 40 something pound, like a 44 I bet. That thing's massive. Let's get on. All right, dispose.
All right, you gotta get the circle hook out.
That's a good one, man. That's a big one.
Look at that circle hook. Perfect. You wanna just...
Yeah. These things are harder to get out than the regular fucking hook.
You know what? That works so beautifully.
Okay. Yeah, I'll get him. This guy probably gonna need a little reviving.
If I can get the lips are so big, can't get it all.
You see this one? Monster. Swim, bitch. There she goes. Oh, she spun nice. She's swimming. Swam perfectly. Big one or a small one? You're right. You got a long leader. Oh, nice little one. Yeah, perfect little eater. But we're limited, so it goes back. All right.
Kept it a lock. Whoa. You just kept it a lock, right?
There you go.
What did you say?
You kept it a lock or free throw?
Kept it in strike.
That's a keeper one, too.
Yeah. Easy. What's face to the bottom? My other one is not holding bottom.
Oh my, look at the Thresher. The Thresher tail just came out. You see that? No, right there. Fucking big Thresher. The tail just whacked him. Look, he's on the surface. Look at the tail. Look at the tail. Big Thresher.
There you go.
Another one on. Well, now you just found the answer to that. Whoa!
Drag it too tight.
Your drag is too tight. You lost everything? Oh, your drag's locked, yeah. Way too tight. Shit.
It's a nice fish, by the way.
That was a big one. Oh my god.
This is insane.
Did you just throw one back in the water?
Has a size on it.
With this rod, it feels big. I don't know what I set the drag on because definitely not a small fish.
There he is. Oh, it's a big one. Yeah, it's a nice one. Very nice. That's a good one, right, Timmy?
We're all on the bottom, right?
Yeah. Come bring it to me. Push him into me. You gotta push him into me. Push him. There you go. Nice 30-pounder.
Nicer one, yeah.
Actually, no, he's not 30. He's a little under. But still a nice one. Actually, you know what? High 20s.
Watch that. Watch the treble.
In the body so you can see it. You want to see the skin. Yeah, like that. Exactly. That's it. Perfect. Oh, do it again. Wait, stay there. Stay there. Stay there.
Diamond jigs. Umbrella rig.
Diamond jigs probably get it.
I don't know about that. They're full of shit. All right. All right, I'll pull back up on him again. Oh, yeah, nice one. Yep. Another nice one.
Yeah.
Hand me the leader.
Perfect hook.
Open your fucking mouth. It's like they know, they keep their mouth freaking shut.
Nice fish, no picture needed. Oh, it's slipped in here.
They're spraying everywhere.
Nice fish.
These are all nice quality fish. Nice one.
Ari, you're on? No.
Look at the bottom, they're turning up. That's how thick they are. This is my bucktail rod. This rod's got one. That's got some weight to it, she's fat. Nice fatty, look at how fat that one is. Oh, another one. One on and one up going in. Nice fatty.
Fish.
Yeah. And one on.
I could use a nice can of Coke or beer.
Beer would be nice. Ice cold brewskis on the boat.
Joey.
Got it? All right. Yeah, let me go get it.
It's right there.
Nope.
Instant?
Oh shit, the hook blew up. That was a circle, yeah. No, I have more.
Yeah, more?
Yeah, I have a whole box right here.
You need to tie that for me.
Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, that's a big one. All right, that's your biggest one of the day. No, I think the other one bigger. It looks big. Maybe it's the reflection. See what.
Gotta get that whole freaking.
There's another one. Oh shit. Very little. It clicks on for a second and goes off. Well, yes, unfortunately, right about here is when my battery died. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this crazy bass action. We had some fall. If you guys like this type of content, please consider subscribing and click the bell to be notified when more videos come up. Watch out, watch out!